Welcome students. Now continued part of chapter 3rd matrices. Now we are doing question number 6 for exercise 3.1. Find the value of x, y and z from the following. Here it is matrix. In this matrix x plus y plus z, then x plus z, then y plus z equals to 9, 5, 7. Now in this solution we have given that these two matrices and which are equal. So by the property of equality of matrices we get, see here, x plus y plus z equals to 9. It is equation first. And x plus z equals to 5. It is our equation second. And y plus z equals to 7. It is our equation third. Now this you can see here, using equation 2 in equation first. We are using these equations one by one. In equation first we have x plus y plus z equals to 9. Now here we write y plus x plus z equal to 9 because we have to put the value of x plus z, that will be 5 in equation 2. You can see in equation 2, then we will get y plus 5 equals to 9. Therefore y equals to 9 minus 5 equals to 4. So we will get easily the value of y, which is 4. Now using equation 3 in equation first, we get x plus y plus z equals to 9. Again we put y plus z value, that will be 7 in this equation. We will get x plus 7 equals to 9. And therefore x equals to 9 minus 7. We can get easily the value of x equals to 2. Now by equation first, in equation first we have x plus y plus z equal to 9. Now the values of x and y, we put what we will get in upper side, that will be 2 plus 4 plus z equal to 9. We will get 6 plus z equal to 9. And finally z equal to 9 minus 6 equals to 3. Therefore z equals to 3. Hence x equals to 2, y equals to 4 and z equal to 3. Now students, see the next topic. Topic is operations on matrices. What are operations? First of all we have to discuss addition and then subtraction. We can understand by it this example. We are taking matrix A equals to 3 minus 4 5 6 7 0 and second matrix B equals to 1 2 0 minus 4 6 7. You see here in this matrix the order of this matrix is 2 into 3, and again for this matrix the order is 2 into 3. Order should be same. See here, order should be same. Then we get addition or subtraction. Now we see here what is the addition. Here a plus b equals to, we can get easily 3 plus 1 minus 4 plus 2 5 plus 0 6 minus 4 7 plus 6 7 plus 0. It is easily calculated that a plus b equals to 4 minus 2 5 2 13 7. Again its order will be 2 into 3. See here again. Now subtraction for these two matrices will be like this: a minus b equals to 3 minus 4 5 6 7 0, minus sign is there, 1 2 0 minus 4 6 7. Now we can get easily a minus b equals to 3 minus 1 minus 4 minus 2 5 minus 0. Again corresponding elements we have to add or subtract. 6 minus and minus 4 7 minus 6 0 minus 7. We will finally get a minus b equals to 2 minus 6 5 10 1 minus 7. Its again order is 2 into 3. Now next topic students, you can see here multiplication of matrix by a scalar. What is the meaning of it? We have to understand by its definition. If A equals to Aij, where order is m into n, is a matrix and k is a scalar. Here scalar is k, see here. Then Ka is another matrix which is obtained by multiplying each element of A by the scalar k. Now see this example. Here example 1, where here P equals to, we take an example, matrix P equals to 4 minus 6 2 3 0 8. See here in this matrix there are 3 rows and 2 columns. Now 4P, here 4 is scalar. Now we have to multiply this matrix by 4 in each element. We will get 4 4s are 16, 4 6s are 24, it is minus, then minus 24, 4 2s are 8, 4 3s are 12, 4 0 0, 4 8s are 32. Again in second example, matrix A equals to 0 4 6 3 2 minus 4 1 8 12. Now if we multiply it by minus 2, then we will get 0 minus 8 minus 12 minus 6 minus 4 8 minus 2 minus 16 minus 24. Now see the students' properties of addition of matrices. First property is commutative law. It is A plus B equals to B plus A. Second property is associative law. In this property, we can take 3 matrices in this way. A plus B plus C equals to A plus B plus C. First of all, in this property, we have to take 2 matrices and addition of these 2 matrices first and then third one. And in right hand side, you can see last 2 matrices we have to add first and then adding first. Now third property is existence of additive identity. It will be A plus, it is not 0, 0 matrix equal to 0 matrix plus A. Fourth property is the existence of additive inverse. What is this property? See here, A plus negative of A equals to negative of A plus A equals to 0 matrix. It is not 0, it is 0 matrix. Now next property is property number 5th, K, where K is scalar, into A plus B equals to Ka plus Kb. And in 6th property, K plus L into A. Here again L is another scalar, then we will get Ka plus La. Now we are moving next topic, which is very important topic, that will be multiplication of matrices. How we can matrices in multiplication way. For this we have to know about it. For multiplication of 2 matrices A and B, the number of columns in A, the number of columns in A should be equal to the number of rows in B. Now students, we have to understand multiplication of matrices by this example. See this example. Matrix A equals to 1, minus 1, 2, 0, 3, 4 and matrix B equals to 2, 7, minus 1, 1, 5, minus 4. You can see here in these 2 matrices, order of this matrix, it is 2 into 3 and order of this matrix, it is 3 into 2. See here. The number of columns is 3 and in this matrix the number of rows is 3. Both numbers should be same. See here. Now we are going to multiplication of these 2 matrices, which is AB equals to, first of all we have to multiplication first row to first column, 1 by 1. See here, 1 into 2, 1 into 2, minus 1 into minus 1, see here, 2 into 5, again 1 into 7 plus minus 1 into 1 plus 2 into minus 4. Means row to column. We have to multiply by row to column. Again from second row to first column. 0 into 2 plus 3 into minus 1 plus 4 into 5. Again this second row is multiplied to second column in this matrix. See here, 0 to 7 plus 3 into 1 plus 4 into minus 4. We will get in next step AB equals to, it is very easily calculated, 2 plus 1 plus 10, 7 minus 1 minus 8, 0 minus 3 plus 20, 0 plus 3 minus 16. Its order will be 2 into 2 because there are 2 rows and 2 columns. Now again finally we will get AB equals to 12 minus 2, 17 minus 13. Its order will be 2 into 2. Now students, see the properties. First property is ABC equals to ABC. It is associative law for 3 matrices. First of all, we have to multiply first 2 matrices and then multiply by third one. In this part, we have to multiply last 2 matrices and then first matrix. It is said to be associative law and it is equal. And second property, it is said to be distributive law. See here, A into B plus C equals to AB plus AC. In third property, it is said to be existence of multiplicative identity. IA equals to AI equals to A. Here I is said to be identity matrix. Now students, finally your homework will be from exercise 3.2. These are very simple questions. Question number 3, you have to compute the following, means you have to multiply these 2 matrices in third part and sixth part. Again, question number 6, you have to simplify cos theta into cos theta sin theta minus sin theta cos theta plus sin theta in sin theta minus cos theta sin theta. You have to multiply it and adding. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन है क्वेश्चन नंबर 15, फाइंड a स्क्वायर माइनस 5a प्लस 6i. यू हैव टू फाइंड दिस वैल्यू फ्रॉम a इक्वल्स टू 2 0 1 2 1 3 1 minus 1 0.